Pepsi Girls! Show tayo sa Pepsi Girls dahil.
Diba pa Spice Girls yun?
Pepsi Girls, tsaka Sprite.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you want to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now what we've got.
Ang gwapo mo pa rin, David, kahit ganyan kinakanta mo.
Give me a sign.
Wawi na.
Now, baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you.
Ito mong girl yun ha?
Boy, you got that.
Shout out to Amy.
Ulaw!
Bye, Bate, Elvis. Elvis.
To be the only
Elvis,
baby, 'cause I need to know now what we got. The loneliness is killing me,
And
I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I'll lose my mind.
give me a sign.
Hit me Wowie one more time. Manager!
Interlude.
Magicmag.com.
Ito naman, how was I supposed to know? Oh, baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. Yes.
Hindi na
I
nakakot
must
yan.
confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here and give me a sign.
Hit me one more time.
It's killing me and I must confess I still believe.
Ulaw!
Si Elvis ang laki. And loneliness is killing me.
And I must confess, I still believe.
And I'm in you and I lose my mind. Give me a sign.